circle, right? Yes. Circular is that object that has circular shape and don't have any corners.
By the way, talking about the circular shape is not about circle, but there are ellipse and arch.
Right. Then about circle before, there are some parts just so you know.
Correct. In circle, there are angles too that we can count later.
Really?
Yes, girl.
Instead of being confused, let's watch this.
Did you know that circular is part of circular side? What is circular side? Let me tell you now. A circular side, two-dimensional object, is a shape that has no corner or edges and is made up of a curved line. It exists on a plane with no depth, meaning it has only two dimensions, length and width. These are examples of circular side: egg, middle, arch, good sign, coin, and others.
Okay guys, we have know about circular side, and these are example of circular side: coin, sword, and arch. Do you know the name of various shape from this example? Here we go. There are example of dimensional object with circular side. First, circle. A flat shape formed from a set of points, constant and regular distance from fixed point on a plane. Now, this fixed point is usually collected the center point of the circle. A coin is an example of the circle. Second, ellipse. The flat shape resembles a circle that extends in one direction, or a set point whose distance from two certain point is fixed. Now, a certain point is usually collected, the point is focused. A shape is an example of the ellipse. Third, semicircle. A flat shape formed by dividing a circle into two parts. An arch is an example of the semicircle.
Have you eaten a pizza? You must know that pizza has the circle shape. When we take one slice of pizza, then the slice of pizza is an example of a part from circle. The name is sector.
Beside the sector, a circle have another component. What are they? 1. Center point. The center point of a circle is the point in the middle of the circle.
A point is always in the middle of the circle. Point A is the center point of circle. So, when the point is not in the middle of the circle, it's not called the center point.
2. Radius. The radius of a circle is the line that connects the center of the circle with one point of the circle.
A line drawn from the center of the circle to an arbitrary point on the circle. So, the radius connects the center point of the circle to an arbitrary point on the circle. AB and AC is the radius of the circle.
3. Diameter. Diameter is a straight line connecting two points on circumference of a circle and passing through its center. The value of diameter is twice the value of radius.
A straight line that connects two points on a circle and always pass through the center point. Line BC pass through the center point, so BC is the diameter.
4. Circular arc. Circular arc is a curved line that lies on the circular arc and connecting to arbitrary points on the arc.
Arc is a curved line connecting two points on the circumference of a circle. HI is a circular arc.
5. Chord. Chord of the circle is a straight line in the circle connecting two points on the circle arch.
Chord is a line that connects two points on a circle and doesn't pass through the center of the circle. If a line passes through the center of a circle, then it is called a diameter, and the diameter is the longest chord.
6. Segment. Any slice made by a chord is called a segment. Segment is bound by a chord and an arch.
Segment is the area bounded by a chord and an arc. If we have a chord AD and an arc ED, then the area inside is called a segment.
7. Sector. Sector is like the pizza slice. Sector is area bound by two radius and one arch.
When we have two radius and one arc, the area within it called sector.
8. Apodum. Apodum on a circle. Apodum is a line connecting the center point of the circle with the circle chord. Line them perpendicular to the chord.
Apodum is a line drawn from the center of a circle to a chord and perpendicular lines to the chord. Talking about some part in circle, there are angles in circle too. They are inscribed angle and center angle. Center angle can created when two radius meet at center point. Inscribed angles can created when two chords meet at one point on circumference. When both of angles face exactly the same arc, then a relation is built up. That's the measure of them. First, center angle. So, the measure of center angle is twice of the measure of inscribed angle. Then, inscribed angle. So, the measure of inscribed angle is half of the measure of center angle. Okay, I want to give you an example. Given the measure of inscribed angle is 60 degrees. So, how the measure of center angle? So, the measure of center angle is twice of 60 degrees. That's 120 degrees. Okay, could you guys guess the question of mine? Here the question. Known, the measure of center angle is 156 degrees. How the measure of inscribed angle? A. 312 degrees. B. 78 degrees. Which one is the correct answer? So, the correct answer is B.
So Dewi, have you understood of the elementary?
Yes, I have. Thanks for helping me, guys. Now I will do my homework again.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay guys, did you got it about
Definition of circular side. Some figures example of circular side. Some part of circle.
And angles in circle.
circle? Thanks for watching.